Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, if you are trying to sign in your Apple account on your Apple device but you are facing this issue that says this account is locked and cannot be used and you are unable to sign in your Apple account on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end and I will show you how you can unlock your Apple account. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen and now you have to simply go to settings and then scroll it below and tap on general, then tap on software update and update your software. After this, go back and tap on the date and time and set your date and time from here or turn on the toggle for set automatically. After this, go back and tap on language and region, select your country or region from here correctly. After this, go back, tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Then go back and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and after this you have to simply open your support app on your Apple device. Here you can see this and now you have to scroll it below and then you have to tap on Apple account. Here you can see this, simply tap on this and then you have to tap on disabled Apple account and from here you have to tap on this account is locked. Here you can see this and from here you can see you can easily unlock your account from here. So guys, you have to simply tap on get started from here and after this you have to simply follow the instructions and after this hopefully your account will be unlocked. So guys, in this way you can also unlock your Apple account if it is locked. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.